Tired of tap water that tastes off or smells like chlorine? The InSinkErator F1000 replacement water filter cartridge promises cleaner, better tasting water straight from your sink. It's specially designed to reduce particulates and eliminate that unpleasant chlorine aftertaste, so every glass you pour feels fresh and pure. I've lived in Seattle for years, where the city's water is usually top-notch. But during certain seasons, the chlorine they add can really change the flavor. After switching to the F1000 filter, that problem disappeared completely. What's more, replacing the cartridge couldn't be easier. No need to shut off your water valve. Just a quick quarter turn stops the flow automatically, and installing the new filter is just as simple. It's a small convenience that makes a big difference when you're juggling a busy kitchen. Beyond taste, this filter supports your health by providing cleaner water, while also helping you cut down on bottled water expenses. That means less plastic waste heading to landfills, a smart choice if you care about sustainability. The F1000 cartridge is built exclusively for InSinkErator's water dispensing systems, so it fits perfectly with your instant hot water dispenser or filtration setup, ensuring you get the best performance every time. InSinkErator has been a trusted name since 1927, pioneering garbage disposals and instant hot water dispensers. Their experience shows in every product, including this filter. It's designed to keep your kitchen running smoothly, from meal prep to cleanup, by delivering fresh water fast and hassle-free. If you want water that tastes better and a kitchen that works smarter, the F1000 filter is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values great tasting water without the fuss, trying the InSinkErator F1000 replacement water filter cartridge makes sense. It's reliable, easy to swap out, and backed by decades of innovation. Keep your water clean, your kitchen efficient, and your family healthier. Try it when you're ready.